Assalamu alaikum viewers with the Media College, your host Muhammad Usman. Viewers, today I have brought you a wonderful video. Today I will give you another Photoshop action for free. This is called broken action. So let's get started. First of all, import your footage here and go to actions and import the action file, and the download link is in description. And import this file. Okay, now select brush and import brush here. Okay, now add a new empty layer and rename to area. Now select this background layer and select quick selection tool and select area from your footage. Okay, now select this layer and select paint tool. And now click on this play button to start action. And here you can see a message. Now you need to paint the area where you want to apply the broken effect. Okay, now select this layer area 2 and select brush tool and draw brush. Now start again this. Okay, now it's done. So here are some layers that you can edit. Go to background elements and check this. Here you can change color. Here you can change brightness, contrast, and saturation. Oh, I made a mistake here. I do not select the area, but you do not have to. Okay, now it's done. That was today's video. Viewer, I am working very hard to make this tutorial for you. Please subscribe my channel and be sure to like and share this video. Thanks for watching.